Welcome to episode number 48. My name is Nathan Ziegler, the upper school principal at Hope Academy. Today's special guest is Mrs. Smith, our lower school principal. She's going to show us how to make Play-Doh.
Special guest with Mr. Z.
Hi everybody. Lots of interesting things happen in the Smith kitchen besides cooking and baking. We like to do some fun things here too, and one of them is making Play-Doh. And I'm going to share my Play-Doh recipe with you today. It's 2 cups of flour, and I've already got 1 cup in here, and I'm going to add most of the second cup. I'm going to save just a little bit back. And a 1/4 cup of salt, and a 1/2 teaspoon of cream of tartar. Now, you can make this without cream of tartar, it just won't be so soft and smooth. And you can use either this kind of food coloring, or you can use Kool-Aid for coloring and a little bit of smell. And I'm going to use strawberry Kool-Aid with our Play-Doh today. I already put some water and oil in the microwave and got it hot and boiled it. And now I'm going to pour it all over the flour mixture. Stir it up. Now this is hot, and so you got to be careful and not put your hands in it till it cools down. When it's still sticky, you just keep adding flour till it's not sticky anymore. There we go. Some nice red Play-Doh, and it smells just a little like strawberry. Now I'm going to make some things with it. Don't forget to put your Play-Doh in a plastic bag or a plastic container when you're not playing with it so it doesn't dry out. I'm going to show you a few of the cool things that my daughter Anna and I made when we played with our Play-Doh.
For today's dad jokes, what did the dollar bill name his daughter? Penny. What did the painter name her son? Art. What did the announcer name his son? Mike. And what did the hamburgers name their daughter? Patty. Yesterday's riddle was, what do islands and the letter T have in common? They're both in the middle of water. W-A-T-E-R. Get it? Today's riddle is, what can you never get rid of when you lose it? Over to you, Mr. Quiggle.
It's quarantine with Quiggle.
Nibbling.
Today's advice is from Senior Sade Mitchum.
Hope seniors, they're all really nice. Hope seniors, gonna give you advice. Hope seniors, what they say should suffice. Hope seniors, seniors.
Sade says, I would encourage you all to appreciate the people that have been put in your life that want you to finish strong, whether it be your parents, staff, or even a friend. Also, don't take the time you have in high school for granted. Now is the time to venture into new things and to take risks. Thank you, Sade. Have a great day, everyone.